skateboard rack, 3 longboards. So I need 2 for that. Don't need that anymore. So the left and right edges of these. The main thing I made today was mess. Hi guys, well, it's been fun today. I've had problems with the bandsaw. It's a Shepek bandsaw, say no more. And then I tried to cut with the table saw, the angle. I wasn't feeling very safe with the mitre attachment, so in the end I used the jigsaw, and unfortunately I didn't film that whole part of the process. Didn't think I was actually going to get anything done today. It was all a bit haphazard, and then I realised I hadn't filmed it, so got it done. So with the jigsaw I cut through with a chisel. I smoothed everything out, sanded, and I've just put on a coat of what's this stuff? Just clear varnish, and now looking pretty good. I've tried the longboard inside the rack. That's looking good too. So it's all working. I've got some screws ready to be sent off with it. As I said, that was my daughter who asked me to make a 3 longboard rack, so it's ready. Needs another couple of coats. I've pre-drilled the holes, countersunk the holes to attach that to the wall. And the only bits really that were missed were the cutouts, unfortunately. Very simple. I marked them with the combination square, 45 degree lines, followed those with the jigsaw, chiseled out the rest, and then I've given it a sanding with, I believe, 80, 120, and then finished at 180. So good and smooth, looking good. The finish has brought up the grain nicely, so another few coats on that and we'll call that done. I'll try and get a photo of the finished article on the wall back to sort of finish off this video. But that was making the longboard racks, 3 longboards in a sort of smallish format. That was sooner than I thought. I keep forgetting to say, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like or dislike, and hit the notification bell. That will really help to build some momentum, and hopefully these small projects, something you can do at home and copy, or the screw-ups might be something you can help with if I remember to film them, and also the small tips videos, hopefully that's helpful too. So once again, see you soon.